If you've entered the wrong tracking number on eBay or need to update it after shipping your item, don't worry, you can easily fix it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the tracking number on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to update shipment details and keep your buyer informed without any confusion. First, open the eBay website or app and sign in to your seller account. Once you're logged in, go to My eBay and navigate to the Selling section. From there, click on Orders or Sold Listings to view the items you've already shipped. Find the order for which you want to change the tracking number. Next to that order, look for an option like Edit Tracking, Add Tracking, or View Order Details. Click on it to open the shipping information. If you've already entered the tracking number, you'll see an option to edit or replace it. Remove the incorrect tracking number and enter the correct one in the field provided. Make sure you also select the correct shipping carrier from the drop-down menu. After entering the updated tracking number, double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. Then click on Save or Update to apply the changes. The new tracking information will now be visible to the buyer. Once updated, eBay may automatically notify the buyer about the change. It's still a good idea to send a quick message confirming that you've updated the tracking details to avoid any confusion. If you don't see the option to edit the tracking number, it could be because the order is already marked as delivered or too much time has passed. In that case, you can contact eBay support for assistance. In this tutorial, we learned how to change the tracking number on eBay by accessing order details, editing the tracking information, and saving the update. This helps maintain transparency and improves your seller performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.